Alright guys, told you I was going on a trout fishing trip, and we stopped at this little hole on the way. See my son's throwing in. What's up, Cameron? So I followed another hole further back that way, and I have officially caught my very first trout. Cameron, you want to hold it up for me? Very first brook trout ever. Nice little guy. So we hadn't been in this spot probably 30 minutes maybe a little longer, and got one. There's a little hole right here in front of us we're working, and I had one hit and it took my lure, so we're trying to retrieve that bad boy. One, I want the fish, but two, I want my lure back. So we're gonna keep on this fishing trip for the next couple days. If I catch anything or anything happens worth showing you, I'll keep you informed. God bless. Alright guys, we're gonna keep on fishing. We've had a couple bites a little further upstream. We're gonna keep walking down here and see if we can catch something. Just wanted to show you guys this awesome scenery. Don't get much better for fishing. Hey Cam, hit that pocket right there. Kind of looking for these deep little pockets of where, as we walk the creek, and just kind of throwing in, just crossed each other, and hoping something busts up out from under the rocks. So, if we catch something, we'll show you. Alright, here's a nice little hole. Let's see if we can get anything out of it. Had one. Just had one hit right here. A little harder with this rooster tail I'm using. So my son caught one.
Sitting up here on this rock. Daggone.
Alright guys, so told you I was going trout fishing this weekend. So we are up here in outside of Boone doing some trout fishing. Yesterday in total we caught 10. I got 2. Cameron here caught 1, and Jason back over my shoulder there, he caught 7, got his limit. So we are trying this stream here. We're going to keep working up that direction, keep doing some fishing. It's a little hard for me to catch actual footage because I'm using my cell phone here to do the recording, and a little risky when it comes to using a cell phone in water. So wouldn't want to risk ruining it, so I've taken a few pictures of the fish we caught yesterday. And if I get something, I'll try to do what I can video-wise for you guys. So just wanted to keep you informed, show you this beautiful scenery up here, and show you what's going on. I mean, it don't get much better than this when it comes to fishing. Alright guys, hope you're enjoying the footage, and we will keep you informed. Alright guys, thanks for joining us out here on this trout fishing trip. We came out here Thursday, fished all day, and then fished all day Friday and Saturday morning. So you see Cameron over there doing some bass fishing. This is a beautiful pond directly behind the cabin we're staying in. So in total we end up getting 14 trout. We got the rainbow trout and brook trout. Cameron back over here yesterday ended up catching the largest trout of everyone here. Another fellow that was here caught 3 yesterday. So we had trout for dinner last night, and I have to tell you, it's one of the best tasting fish. Did you just land one?
Yep.
Ah, sweet. That was a little 1-pounder?
Yep.
Huh, cool. So he's been out here slaying these bass. How many did you catch last night?
3.
So not only doing trout fishing, but obviously doing bass as well. At least Cameron is. So anyway, just wanted to tell you how things went, and say thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments, your views, your supports, your subscriptions, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it is. I appreciate it, and we'll keep you informed of what's going on in the future. God bless, guys.